Hello friends, my name is Disa Hetal Ashramik Vidyalaya Killa Padi Standard 7 Subject English Chapter 9. Before you read, if you wish to go on a long bicycle ride, the bicycle should be in good condition. If possible, an expert mechanic should overhaul it. But what happens if the machine has wheel of its own and the machine knows next to nothing? Bicycle in good repair. A man I knew proposed one evening we should go for a long bicycle ride together on the following day. Then and I agreed. I got up early for me. I made an effort and was pleased that with myself. He came half an hour late. I was waiting for him in the garden. It was a lovely day. He said, "That's a good looking machine of yours. How does it run?" कि एक दिन क्या हुआ कि वन फ्रेंड्स एंड ऑथर सजेस्टेड कि दैट टू शुड गो फॉर अ बाइसिकल राइड, कि बाइसिकल पे क्या करने के लिए जाने की सलाह दी, सवार राइड करने के लिए. एंड द ऑथर गोट अप अर्ली, सुबह लेखक सुबह जल्दी उठकर एंड वेटेड फॉर द फ्रेंड. क्या कर रहा था राइटर? सुबह जल्दी उठ के वो जो राइड करने जिसके साथ वो जाना था उसके फ्रेंड के साथ उसकी वो सुबह जल्दी उठकर उसकी वेट कर रहा था. कहाँ बैठ के? गार्डन में बैठ के. The author's friend inquired about his bicycle and then gave him said, holding in front wheel and from. गार्डन में बैठ के उसकी वेट कर रहा था, पर उसके जब उसके फ्रेंड की इंक्वायरी की तो उसके बाइसिकल में क्या था? उसकी बाइसिकल को क्या हुआ था? रिपेयरिंग कर रहा था वो. Oh, like most of them, I answered easily enough in the morning, goes a little stiffly after lunch. He caught hold it by the front wheel and the frog and shook it violently. I said, "Don't do that, you will hurt it." I did not see why he should say it had not done anything to him. Besides, if it wanted sacking, I was proper person to sack it. I felt much as I should had he started wagging my dog. He said, "This front wheel wobbles." I said, "It doesn't if you don't wobbles." It didn't wobbles as a matter of fact, nothing worth call and wob. He said, "This is a dangerous. Have you got a hammer?" I ought to have been firm, but I thought that perhaps he really did know something about his business. I went to tool set to see what I should find. What I can bet he was sitting on the ground with the front wheel between his legs. He was playing with it, twirling it round between his fingers. The remnant of the machine was lying on the gravel path beside him. He said, "It looks to me as if the bearing were all wrong." I said, "Don't trouble about it more and I will take your stride. Let us put to court." क्या हुआ कि the author's friend inquired about his bicycle and gave him sack, holding and its front wheel frog. After a while, the man took out the front wheel of the cycle, while the other was away for a while looking for an hammer. The author insists on putting the various parts of bicycle in place, but his friend wanted to check the front wheel. He something and from somewhere around a dozen ball bearings came out, and his friend insisted that the author must collect all from else bicycle must not be restored its old conditions. And he collected in around 16 and then kept on his hat. The author's friend now started taking a gear gas, and author warned him not to mess up with the gear gas, but his friend said nothing. He said, "We may as well as what is the matter with it? Now it is out." He talked as though it had dropped out an accident. Before I could stop him, he had unsquared something somewhere and somehow rolling all over the path some dozen or so little balls. "Catch him!" he shouted. "Catch him! We must!" We mustn't lose any of them. He was quite excited about them. We crawled round for half hour and found 16. He said he hoped we had got them all because if not it would make a serious difference to the machine. I put them for safety in my hat. It was not a sensible thing to do, I admit. The writer's bicycle, which was until then in good condition, was now lying scattered, divided in many parts. Author wanted to stop his friend from causing further troubles, but he admits that he is weak at hurting, and then it was time to chain which he tied to extent that it stopped moving he then loose. Part 2. He then said that while he was about it would see to the chain for me, and at once began talking of an gear. I did try to dissuade him from that. I told him what an experienced friend of mine once said to me solemnly, if anything goes wrong with your great gas, sell the machine and buy a new one. It comes cheaper. He said, people talk like that who understand nothing about machines. Nothing is easier than talking of a gear gas. I had to confess he was right. In less than 5 minutes he had the gear gas in two pieces lying on the path and was grovelling for screws that said it was always a mystery to him the way scratched and disappeared. And common sense continued to whisper to me, stop him before he does any more mischief. You have a right to protect your own property from the ravages of lunatic. Take him by the scruff of the neck and kick him out of the gate. But I am weak when it comes to hurting other people's feelings, and I let him muddle on. And he gave up looking for the rest of the screws, and he said screws had a knack of turning when you least accepted them, and that now he would see to chain. And he tightened it till it would not move, and next loosed. Then it was the time of change with his time to extend, and it became twice as loose as it was before. After applying his trickles on the bicycles, author's friends seemed to be content and now wanted to put all the pieces back into their place. Okay, and next part in next video. Okay, thank you.